In this video, I will show you how to integrate Zoom with your platform. The first thing you want to do is come into the settings area and then click on Profile. You then want to scroll down to the bottom left-hand corner where you will see integrations. The first one you will see that you can integrate is Zoom. The Zoom integration allows you to generate unique meeting links for your appointments. You can simply press the Connect button, which will open up a secondary screen where you can log into your Zoom account. Once signed in, you can authorize to use the lead connector, and then you will see that Zoom has been integrated with your platform. Now, if you want all of your bookings to automatically use a dynamic link, you can scroll up to the user availability section and you want to change the first drop down to be your Zoom. You will then want to hit Update Availability. This will bring up a pop-up that says that your meeting location just got updated. Do you want to overwrite your meeting location in all the calendars that you've been a part of? So if you want to use dynamic links across the board, go ahead and click OK. If not, you can hit Cancel and then go into your calendars and select the specific calendar you would like to link with Zoom. Under your user, you will then be able to select the drop-down to connect Zoom. Once you do this, you will see the meeting location grey out because that is going to dynamically populate with a Zoom meeting. Once complete, you can then scroll down and hit Save.